Alright, I should be screen recording with audio. I have my brand new DJI Mini I just got yesterday. Today is Saturday the 19th, April 19th. Anyway, I have the Mini 5 Pro here, going to fly around a little bit in the backyard. So let's get going. I just updated firmware on the controller. Let's see. Let's go ahead and start the recording here. Waiting for the satellites to come up. They may not come up because I'm under the porch here. So I'm using the RC2 controller, not the Pro, but the 2. And let me just turn this little guy around here. There we go. You can see my chapstick there, front and center, almost center. Mic Mini right here. I just have it sitting up on the antenna, so I don't have to put it on my shirt. Not a big deal. Anyway, got the transmitter or receiver. The receiver plugged in down here. And the reason why I got this Air, I keep calling it the Air. That's the Insta360. The reason why I purchased the mic Mini is basically just to have another mic, another DJI mic. And because I've been using the mic 3, which has been great. No problems at all, but I thought if I'm riding my bike, I might put these little transmitters on instead of the mic 3 on my shirt or wherever, just in case I lose one. They're only like $25 to replace. The other ones are almost 100, I think. So anyway, it's good quality system. It's really good quality. It's just simpler to use. And I had these before. I sold them in the fall. Shouldn't have sold it, but I just bought these for $75. So anyway, let's go flying. Just wanted to get it out of here a little bit. So I don't hit anything. Okay, so yeah, should be screen recording and audio. And again, this is the DJI RC2, not the Pro.
Optical sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
So let's kind of scoot out here and try to maintain kind of a low profile until I get out there a little ways. Try not to hit any of those weeds. So they've been doing a lot of construction out here. So I wanted to get out here and just kind of see what's going on, really. I haven't flown and recorded in a while. So yeah, I just wanted to see kind of what's going on. So yeah, that trailer there in the very center, that's just been there for a couple weeks now, maybe a week. Sure, they just store whatever equipment they need in it. And they've been piling dirt back up here for the last couple months. Kind of storehousing some more dirt that they need over there in the Chestnut Grove. And that's looking west over towards the other dirt storage place. And of course, this construction road that's been there for quite a while. Our retention area, and then kind of coming up back over here towards our house. This greenway that we're all looking forward to. Hopefully, still, you know, they're going to do it. So there's our house right smack in the center there. So let's kind of go over here and see what's going on. My batteries, I've got 61% on the flight battery, and a little more than half on my controller, so I don't have a lot of battery. Let's just kind of go here and again, this is the Mini 5 Pro, which is just such a great little drone. Bought this back in the fall on eBay, and just because it's so hard to find anywhere else. Well, I should say it's hard to find on, or at least it was hard to, it wasn't hard to find it. On Amazon, it was hard to find on Amazon, but you could find it, it was just more expensive. So I just bought it on eBay. Bought the Mavic 4 Pro on eBay from the same seller. Not quite sure what they're going to do with all this road area here. Like, is that going to be the road that comes east and west? Not sure yet. So over there straight ahead is going to be the Oasis. I want to check and see how close I am to these homes over here, because I don't want to get too close to them. I don't want to make anybody nervous. So you can see the townhomes here on the just right of center in the picture here. And then right here with these excavator in the very center here, that's going to be the Oasis. Maybe I'll just fly along the road here. So here you can see the road looks like they've got it mostly paved, at least the base layer down. And then on the left you see the golf cart path. On the right, there's a golf cart path here too, but eventually it ends up just being a sidewalk. They've got light posts in. Let's drop down a little bit. So you can see right here at the kind of the bottom of the screen, the white concrete going left to right. Looks like that's going to bridge the two golf cart paths. The golf cart path on the left is going to keep going around the traffic circle over to the 67th. And then this golf cart path here is going to, let's see, I believe it's going to cross this road here and then turn into a sidewalk. So you can see where that sidewalk picks up right past the street here, and the sidewalk goes right and then also left here. Oh, they've got barriers there so people can't get past it. Probably sneak past there in the golf cart though. So continuing on north here, there's a dry retention pond on the right there, golf cart path on the left, and that little construction service road on the very left. Grass medium in the center. Sidewalk on the right, golf cart path on the left. And then I guess eventually that road's going to come out of the traffic circle there to the left, to the west. And to the north here. So let's just fly along to the east on the whatever road this is going to be. I don't know what's the name of it. It's going to come out over by the school though. Okay, so you can see sidewalk on the right, or sorry, on the left. Golf cart path on the right. Let me just see, how does that golf cart path hook in here? So, I didn't catch where that made that transition. Oh, I guess right here. Yeah, because you can see where the right here in the center, lower center, the sidewalk comes from the upper left-hand corner down to the down below here, and it looks like it changes to the golf cart path. And then here in the center concrete, you can see where golf cart path branches off here to the lower part of the screen, then also continues to the right of the screen for wherever it continues over there. So back over here, so you can, so then the golf cart path continues here on the right. And then the little concrete pathway there that crosses the roads crosses over there to the north on the left hand side of this left center and goes to the sidewalk there. I find it curious how they, on the left hand lane here, where they right here in the center, it looks like the road widens. Well, I guess it does it on the right hand side too. I'm not quite sure why. Is that parking? Can't imagine that would be parking. But it's funny how it just abruptly widens right there. And then it looks like it does it up here too. there. So I don't really see a reason why they're doing that yet. So the golf cart path is going to curve over here and then across and then continue here. Must be parking. I mean, I don't know. I shouldn't say it must be, but parking would be a likely thing, but why would they do that there? I don't know. So then the golf cart path joins up to where we would normally take it for school. So now over here, they've already started, began construction on many homes. Got 35% of my battery here. So there's several. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'd say maybe 20. Counting kind of fast because I'm running low on battery. Maybe 20 homes have already started. Wow. Man, they go quick. So I'm using two mics on this. I have the one mic here on the antenna of the controller, and the other mic's just sitting off on the side over here next to me. Yeah, wow, they're really going to town here. Oh, that one's got trusses ready to go. Townhomes right here. Haven't really done much on the Oasis yet. Still just looks like a desert. So most of the foundations look to be up in that west and northwest area. I don't see any concrete down yet over here. They're all mostly right up in this area. Not sure why. Well, make one little pass through here, and then I better bring it back home. Okay, 25% battery.
Optical sensing unavailable. Fly with caution. Landing.
All right, good flight. Till next time.